Thank you, man, to play a big part in my boxing journey. To Bob Aaron, thank you for helping make many of my biggest fights in my career. You give a kid from the Philippines a chance to show the world what he could do. And to all Hemon, thank you for helping me, especially the later part of my career. I dedicate this moment to every underdog, every dreamer, every person who keeps fighting even when the odds are against them. To my wife, Jenki, and our children, Jimuel, Michael, Princess, Queenie, and Israel, you are my heart.
Kaya gigigil tayo.
You are the reason I fight beyond the ring. To the Filipino people, to the fans all over the world, thank you for your love, your prayers, and your support all these years. You carried me through every victory and every defeat. I want to say thank you to all the media and press because of your big help to boxing industry. And to all of us, we became popular because of you guys. To my coaches, especially to Freddy Roach and Bobo Fernandez, Justin Fortune, to all of Team Pacquiao, and every fan around the world, thank you. You encourage and inspire me every step of the way.